So tangent line and tangent plane, this is sphere, this is one line touch this sphere, this is a tangent line, and length of the tangent formula under root of S11. So this is sphere, you can draw the tangent lines, and this is a plane, this is a tangent plane. Next question, find the length of the tangent line from at the point 3 1 minus 1 at the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0. So direct formula, what is under root of S11? First you can find out the S11. This is point 3 1 minus 1 x1 y1 z1 and sphere is the equation. So first S11 formula, what is given depending on your sphere, x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square minus 3x1 plus 5y1 plus 7. x1 y1 z up to this point, total simplification 14. Length of the tangent plane is a under root of 14 over. Next, tangent plane formula, given sphere at the point x1 y1 z1, this is a formula. Tangent plane formula, what is x into x1 plus u plus y into y1 plus v plus z into z1 plus w plus ux1 plus vy1 plus wz1 plus d equals 0. Given sphere, you can find out the u, v, w values, and this is x1 y1 z1 and d is come to the value of the given sphere and substitute this condition. This is final answer plane, that is a tangent plane. Next important, angle between two spheres. So cos theta is equal to plus or minus r1 square plus r2 square minus a square by 2 into r1 r2. r1 means first sphere radius, r2 means second sphere radius, a is a circle radius. This is circle, no, this is radius. So this is cost of formula. So next formula, orthogonal spheres. Given two spheres, orthogonal or not means satisfy this condition. 2 into uu dash plus 2 vv dash plus ww dash is equal to d plus d dash. u, v, w is a first sphere values and d also. Second sphere you can select it u dash, v dash, w dash and d dash. This is orthogonal condition. Next, very important, this is very important essay type question. If r1 r2 are the radii of two orthogonal spheres, then the radius of the circle of their intersection is r1 into r2 by under root of r1 square plus r2 square. So first, given two spheres orthogonal means, so theta is 90 degrees. This is sphere 1, this is sphere 2. Orthogonal condition, this is 90 degrees. So this is P point, A point, B point. A is a first sphere center, B is a second sphere center, and this is first sphere radius, this is second sphere radius. PM distance small a, this is circle. So circle radius is a small a. Okay. Next we can select PM distance small a, AP distance R1, BP distance is R2. Okay. Next,